Hey everyone, very good morning. It's almost 6:20 right now. The sun's rises at 7:20. The plan for today is to go all the way to Roma in Queensland. So that's about 12 hours of ride. About 1150 kilometers. The weather today is very nice actually. So it's about 12 degrees right now. It will be about 28 around this area, but if I go to Roma it should be about 32, 33. This place has got signs of asbestos, so I'm not gonna have a shower. I'm gonna go in there one more time, gonna brush my teeth and put the lenses on, then get out ASAP. So guys, I'll see you on the road. Yeah, I'll get everything packed up and hopefully I'm done in 1 hour and the sun is just out and I can leave. So yeah, let's go. So it's about what, 7:20. Cool. And the sun is out already, so we'll get up. About 8:30 right now, 21 degrees. I'm just on a phone call with Star Trek because I've got some delivery coming in today. Just want to delay that. I can't adjust a time online, so I have to stay on the phone call with them. Yeah. Because what really happens is once I leave this town, I'm not going to have any mobile network. So I have to wait here for them to answer the phone call.
One eternity later.
Yes, please. Let's go. Get ready. All right, time. So, gotta go and catch up somewhere. This is Cobar. It's a mining town as well. The temperature is going to 26.5. The water is really hot. Doesn't matter. At least we have the water. I can't really speed a lot in this whole trip because I will run out of fuel. Stops are getting bigger now, right? So what I'm going to do is in this town of Cobar, I'm going to find some fuel, get some maybe a little bit of food as well, and then keep on going towards Bourke. So that will be my breakfast for today. It's a double flame grilled chicken burger with cheese and mayo. Looks good. Looks good. It's missing tomato. Some tomato sauce on it. Yeah. Another 770 kilometers to go for today. Google says that it should take me about 8 hours for this 770 kilometers.
This is Bourke, and I'm at the Cultics. It's 91 here, 660 kilometers to go. 33 degrees Celsius right now. Let's keep going. Any petrol stations? Oh wow. Where's the next petrol station, do you know? Okay, I'll ask them. Thanks. Hello.
How you going?
Good, good. Do you know any petrol stations around here?
Now that way.
How long? Half an hour?
Yep.
How many kilometers? 30?
Yeah, you want to go to Hebel with the closest?
That way.
You going that way?
Yeah.
North?
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you go up there 40 k's,
40 Ks. Okay.
how
Thank
much
you.
you got?
Let's have a look. I think I should be able to make it, yeah. Yeah, I have 97 Ks. Should be able to make it?
It's only 40 k's up there.
Okay, so just keep going straight?
Yeah, you keep going on that road, mate. It's bitumen all the way.
Bitumen all the way? Okay, good, good, good. Thank you. You guys local?
Yeah,
Nice.
nice bike.
Thank you.
Triumph.
I'm going towards Roma.
Yep. You go up to the next place is Hebel,
Yeah.
and then you go Durham Bandit, St George, Surat, Roma. Yeah, no, but Hebel is 24/7 the fuel there.
Yeah, and that's my number.
It's just use your card. Then after that there you get Durham Bandit, you got fuel.
Yeah. You know, do
St
that.
George got fuel. Bigger towns than as you go up.
Right, Ivan.
They all
Bigger
got,
town?
yeah.
Where's the border to Queensland?
The border's only about 35 k.
35 kilometers.
You go over the water, huh? You'll
Yeah.
see it. You'll see it there.
Okay, thank you. The phone temperature is too high to take a photo. Got to Hebel. There is fuel here, which is great, and I have to go that way, right? But that way there's actually water. There's some water on the road at the start, so yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, let's keep on going. Really, don't have any other option. 2 more hours. So about 195 kilometers in total. And this says it will take me 2 hours. But could be quicker. This petrol station is closed, but looks like the payment station's open. So I'm gonna try that. So what now? Now let me find out where's the nearest place I can stay at. I haven't booked anything in Roma, so I don't really have to go all the way to Roma. I'm gonna try and find some place around here and then probably see how I go. Do you know if there's any spots around here that I can stay tonight?
Where you can stay?
Yeah.
What, just free camping or something?
No, not free camping, like a proper hotel or anything like that, like a motel.
Well, there's motel up near the water tower up there.
Okay.
The pub's got rooms there.
Pub's got rooms?
The pub's got rooms behind there, and they own the caravan park just here too.
Yeah, I'll ask the pub.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. So what's this place called? This place is called Surat. Or Surat. Yeah, they do have a room available here. So it's only $90 for the night. I'll take it. You know, at the moment I'm so tired, I'm just gonna take it, get everything charged up, and have, this is a pub here as well, so I'm gonna have food here and go to bed. Oh, there you go, another motorcyclist. Third one on this road. But this is feeling the longest now, so now the real pain will start from here. So we've got another 400 kilometers to go for today. It's not like we are running against the time or anything, you know. Take your time, start.